Alright you guys, hi. I'm going to be making a video of making a slime off my birth month. Kind of like this from peachibibbies. And I'm going to be doing that, except we don't really have those charms and everything, so we're just going to be making a green slime with foam. But yeah, it's going to be awesome. Let me think of something. Yep, okay, I'm ready. First thing we're going to need is... Oh, shoot, I forgot a spoon. I don't want to leave you guys, so come with me. Elvis. Sorry, that's my bunny Elvis. I hope you saw it. I take my whiskey to Papa. I take my whiskey, my coffee black and my baby. You're too sweet for me. Sorry. You're too sweet for me. Be quiet. Okay. Second thing we're going to need is a glue. I was going to say a bowl. We already have a bowl. I said er. I said er. Grr. Not going to do too much. Stop it. Elvis. Elvis, don't chew that. You are such a bunny. Which I love because bunnies are awesome. But no, don't chew through that bag. Bad. Good boy. Okay. What do we want now? Look at picture. Green. 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 Okay, Elvis, move. Me. Secrets. Here's all my supplies. There's my rabbit. I'm not gonna add too much dye, like 3 drops, because I don't want it to be like a dark green. I want it to be a lighter green. Okay, yeah, this is good. Next ingredient we're gonna need is activator. / third ingredient. I really had to peel the activator glue like thing off. It was really satisfying. So, well, not really satisfying because I didn't peel it off slow, but like slow. Perfect. Now let's just... Elvis? Okay, good. Let's see. We're close. Just gotta mix it around. Hi, car. I don't know, I'm weird. Okay, we just gotta mix it around for a little bit and then... Oh, it smells weird. Probably because the food coloring's been in a drawer for a little while. Ooh, Taylor Swift is playing. Oh, boo. Girl. Oh, boo. Oh, boo. Meow. Sorry, I'm just like singing quietly here. Was it over? Oh goodness, this is really sad. I just need to get this off my hands somehow. Oh my god, now my ring is stuck inside the slime. Well, it's gonna be a nice surprise to find my ring in here. Great. Oh, why is my life like this? It's okay, I won't die, but it's okay because it won't be sticky soon. I should have took off my jewelry before I did this, but no. This is a sticky situation, disaster, literally, okay. So, literal sticky situation. I might have to call my assistants. No, I'm just kidding, I don't have an assistant. But I might need to call my dad for help. For her to rescue me here. From the tragic sticky slime situation. Okay. I didn't get activator on the floor. Okay, there we go. My dad does not like being on camera. He, like, literally hates being on camera, so I'm glad I didn't have to call for his assistance. Yet, he has an Instagram page. I am not saying what it is. But, yeah, I don't know. He's a weird human. I'm probably just gonna walk over to him and say, Dad, you know you're weird, right? And you can be like, why? I'd be like, because you don't want to be on camera in my YouTube videos. But you have your own Instagram page. Like, what? I think it's just him posting his. He doesn't post himself on it. But who knows? Who cares? He has a profile, though, doesn't he? I don't think he does. Like, a profile picture, I don't think he has one. That's probably why. Okay, this side of the slime is saved. But no one knows about the stuff in here. Slime on me looks like it's fine, and then it never is. Oh my god, I'm mixing it with my ring in here. Pray for my ring, you guys, because it might not survive through this. Here it is. But I'm going to take it out when it's not going to have slime all over it. Pray for my ring. It just fell out. It just fell out. Rain, where are you? There you are. How dare you? Okay, there you go. This is a literal sticky situation. I'm gonna have to wash that later. So, yas. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. This is great. Almost done here. So you'll see me back in a second. I'm probably not gonna wash my hands, but I'm just gonna get this mixing done, so see me in a sec. Okay, I think we're good for the mixing. Now, the next ingredient, wait, slash fourth ingredient. Oh, this is the bad one. Oh yeah. Put some there. Look at that. Put their shaving cream in here. Ready? You know me, I love weird things. Slime's the best. Okay, I don't know why this one. No one knows. Just listen to this though. I should start wearing gloves. This is amazing. It's like one secret. I just had an idea. Well, if I have the charms with me right now, the right charms, I have a great idea. I'll sprinkle charm things. Okay. Elvis, I don't want to drop slime on you, buddy. I would advise you to move. Stop playing with my bowl. There's another bowl down there. Okay, well, in a second, I'm gonna get some beads, so just makes it a little longer. Okay. Okay, that's alright. Now, just gonna. Oh my goodness. I'll just do something. Okay, we're good. I have the right charms. I'm gonna call my creation. Well, not really creation. I'm gonna call my slime inspired by peachibibbies. Mint Lucky Charms. And no, unfortunately, I don't have Lucky Charms cereal charms. I have a different kind of charms that kind of remind me of Lucky Charms. If you want, you can rewind this video, because I would just like someone to comment down how many times I said charms in this video. But we're going to use these little sprinkles, okay? I know it should be like mint chip and mint sprinkle or something. But I want to say Lucky Charms, because, yeah. 100% package stay, blah blah blah, peachibibbies. I'm pretty sure I have like a peach charm or something, so I might make the peachibibbies inspired slime. But only if this video hits, let's see, 100 likes and gets 12 comments. So yeah. But here's my St. Patrick's Day slime / March themed slime. Hope you enjoy. Bye. Oh, also, see me back for my next video. My first ever time doing a slime swirl, like 2 different slimes swirled together. Bye.